The safe choice and the risky choice have switched places. The boss of Microsoft's AI just said something most people missed. He said in 12 to 18 months, every job at a computer is done. Lawyers, accountants, marketing, project managers, gone. And he said it like it was nothing in the Financial Times, like he was reading the weather. I was angry because they keep telling everyone the same thing. Adapt, learn AI, become irreplaceable, but nobody is asking the real question. Who is hiring right now? So I dug and I found 4 jobs the data says are safe, and the 4th one is the one nobody saw coming. If you watch this channel, you already know 80,000 tech workers gone. Meta, 8,000 layoffs this year. They called it AI restructuring. Wall Street banks quietly planning 200,000 more cuts in the next 3 to 5 years. Goldman Sachs says up to 46% of office work can be done by AI today. Stay with me. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei said half of all entry-level office jobs disappear. The World Economic Forum says 92 million jobs gone by 2030. That is not a movie. That is a plan being run right now in boardrooms while we are sitting here. But here is what nobody is telling you. While they are firing the lawyers and the marketers and the project managers, someone else is desperately trying to hire. And the data, US Bureau of Labor Statistics, Department of Labor, Goldman Sachs, the data says something wild. The exact jobs your parents told you to avoid are now safer and pay better than the ones they told you to chase. Number 1, and this one will shock the people who paid for college, the trades. Right now, the United States is short 530,000 construction workers in 2026 alone. There are 7.6 million unfilled trade jobs in America. 7.6 million. An electrician pay starts at $62,000. Top earners over $106,000. 81,000 new electrician jobs every year for the next 10 years. And here is the wild part. UK research says electricians have a 16% chance of being replaced by AI. 16. A plumber, same money, 63,000 to 100,000. And the Department of Labor just put up $145 million to train people in trades. $145 million because the country is drowning in demand. Number 2 is bigger because this one is growing while everything else dies. Hands-on healthcare. Nurse practitioners, 45% growth by 2032. 45%. Healthcare overall, adding 2 million jobs this decade. AI can read a brain scan, yes. But AI cannot hold a hand. AI cannot notice at 7 in the morning that the patient's color is wrong. AI cannot sit with a dying person and make them feel seen. That is a job. That is a career that cannot be replaced. Period. Number 3, and if you have a kid, this one hits different. Early childhood teachers, therapists, counselors. A 4-year-old will not sit with a robot when they are scared. A teenager in crisis will not open to a chatbot. The data is clear. Preschool teachers, therapists, social workers, all growing, while office jobs die. These are the people who do what AI cannot do. Sit with a human in their hardest moment and be there. Number 4. And this is the one nobody saw coming. AI itself is creating more work for hands. Every AI data center needs electricians. Every solar panel needs installers. Every EV charger needs technicians. Every battery factory needs welders. The AI boom is building physical stuff at a speed we have never seen, and it needs people to build it with their hands, just not the people who thought they were safe. Here is the part that should make you sit down. A plumber in 2026, no student debt, 70,000 to start, 100,000 with experience, demand growing for the next 10 years, 16% risk. A paralegal in 2026, $50,000 in student debt, 45,000 starting salary, watching their entire industry get gutted by AI in 18 months. The safe choice and the risky choice have switched places, and nobody is updating the playbook. Your parents told you, go to college, get an office job, don't be a tradesman. That advice was correct in 1995. It is dangerous in 2026. And the people still saying it works are the same people about to lose their jobs. So here's the question. What do you do? Is your job on this list? Or are you sitting at a computer like Suleiman said? Tell me in the comments right now. I want to know. And if you have a kid, share this because the system is not going to tell them. Colleges are not going to tell them. Career counselors are not going to tell them. They're still selling 1995 advice in a 2026 world. We are going to keep tracking this. What's actually happening, who's actually hiring, and what's actually working. Subscribe so you don't miss it.